Your sleep schedule isn't laziness. It's an ancient survival strategy baked into your DNA. Some people spring out of bed at 5 a.m. feeling great. Others can't function before noon. This isn't about discipline or willpower. It's about your chronotype, a genetic setting that determines when your body wants to sleep and wake. And the reason night owls exist at all goes back to when sleeping at the wrong time could get you killed. Your chronotype is controlled by a cluster of about 20,000 neurons called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, your brain's master clock. It sits just above where your optic nerves cross, using light signals to synchronize your body's 24-hour cycle. But here's the key. This clock doesn't tick at the same speed for everyone. Researchers at the University of Leicester identified over 350 genes that influence chronotype. Some people's clocks run slightly fast, making them early birds. Others run slow, creating night owls. This isn't a choice. It's hardware. In 2017, a groundbreaking study examined the Hadza people in Tanzania, one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer societies. Researchers tracked 33 adults over 20 days and found something remarkable. At any given moment during the night, at least one person in the group was awake. Out of over 200 hours of nighttime monitoring, there were only 18 minutes when everyone was asleep simultaneously. Scientists call this the Sentinel Hypothesis. Night owls aren't broken. They're the reason the tribe survived until dawn. The problem is that modern society was designed for early birds. The standard 9 to 5 workday forces night owls into a schedule that conflicts with their biology. Scientists call this social jet lag, the chronic mismatch between your internal clock and your social obligations. Studies show that night owls forced into early schedules have higher rates of depression, metabolic issues, and cardiovascular problems. It's not the late nights causing harm. It's the early alarms. But night owls have some surprising advantages. Research at the University of Madrid found that evening types tend to score higher on inductive reasoning tests, a measure of general intelligence. Night owls also show greater mental stamina late in the day, outperforming morning types on sustained attention tasks after 10 hours of being awake. And creativity peaks at non-optimal times, which means night owls who are forced to work mornings may actually be more creative during those hours. Your chronotype isn't a flaw, it's millions of years of evolution. Subscribe to Curious Science to uncover more about how your body really works. Are you a night owl or an early bird? Tell us in the comments.